Good morning, everybody. All students, class 5. How are you? I hope you are well. Now, I am well also, and we have already completed our literature book, textbook. Questions are fill in the blanks, make sentences, all these things. Question, reference to context, etc., etc. Today, I start literature workbook. That is first chapter. Your syllabus allotted, chapter 13. uh, this is your first chapter in this term, third term. So chapter 13, Athuk and Pular. First, that is homophone. What is called homophone? Similar in sound but different in meaning. That is him, nose, no, all. Two words sound similar but spelling and meaning different. So they are called homophones. First of all, I do question number A. Homophones. That is, I tell you, similar in sound but different in meaning. A. Hymn, Hymn. What is the meaning of hymn? It is a type of religious song. Sentence, Alex shared the hymn book with her friend. Okay. Similar, hymn, Him. Him means the plural, the masculine gender of he, that is him. Object of he, that is Mita gave him her history book. Okay, him, Hym or other Him. B. Knows, Anows, knows. He knows the spelling of Aesop. And no, that is he has no money at all. Okay. C. AWL, wall, ALL, all a small pointed tool used for piercing holes, especially in leather. Are all whole things, that is all. I accidentally broke the upper end of the all of them present in the meeting. Okay. D. Great, GRAT, great means reduce, meaning of reduce to small shreds by rubbing it on a grater. Or great means Mohan Bhakti, meaning an important person. That is GRAT, grate the carrot finely into small pieces. A GRAT, great, he would soon become a captain and then perhaps a great admiral. Okay. And then question number E. That is 1 ka E. Scene, SCENE, scene. Scenes in location, site or place. Sentence, he is in the opening scene of the movie. SWN, scene, past participle form of the verb see. That is sentence, I have never seen such an horrible scene. Okay. This is homophone. Question number B. Fill in the blanks with whose, WHO apostrophe S or WHOSE. Whose means who is, or whose means whom, which is the things of whose. That is question number A. B ka A. The puppy dash name was Pular was a gift to Athuk. That is whose name, WHOSE. Whose, WHO dash got the names for the dog. Whose, who is, who, WHO apostrophe S. Whose means who is got the names of the dog for the dog. Then C. Who's this dog, WHO apostrophe, who is this dog. Okay. D. Athuk dash father was ill, wanted to help. Athuk whose father? He is the man dash able to do up the sledge. He is the man who is able to do up the sledge. F. Do you know dash sledge this is? Whose sledge is this is? Okay. That is whose means who is, whose means that means position. Okay. Question number C. Replace the verbs from the text with verbs of similar meaning. We call these synonyms. That is number A. The boy dash bracket में cracked his whip. Cracked, broke. The boy broke his whip. B. Then the reins blank dropped from his frozen fingers. Fell. Dropped, fell. Athuk bound dash tied himself to the sledge. That is Athuk bound Bind, bound, B-O-U-N-D, bound himself to the sledge. News dash that seals had been seen. Came, synonyms appeared. News appeared that seals had been seen. E. At first a great block of ice was dash fashioned to the harness, that is tied. Synonyms. Synonyms similar meaning, that is meaning of these words. Okay, so I repeat this chapter once again. That is homophones. Homophones means similar in sound but different in meaning. Hymn, a number hymn. It is a type of religious song. Sentence, Alex shared the hymn book from her friend. Him. Mita gave him her history book. Knows, no. He knows the spelling of a shop. और मैंने नो इसके साथ we add s, knows. No, he has no money at all. AWL, all. I accidentally broke the upper end of the all of them present in a meeting. D, great, G-R-A-T, great, G-R-E-A-T, G-R-A-T-E, great the carrot finely into small pieces. Great হচ্ছে he would soon become a captain and then perhaps a great admiral. This great GRAT, great means reduced to small shreds by rubbing it on a grater. Great means an important person. Scene, S-C-N-E, S-E-N, scene, location. He is in the opening scene of the movie. S-W-N, scene, past participle form of the verb see. Sentence, I have never seen such an horrible scene. Okay. Name, question number B, fill in the blanks with whose or whose. The puppy dash name was Pular, was a gift to Atuk. Whose, W-H-O-S-E. Who's got the names of the dog, W-H-O-apostrophe-S. Whose means who is, but who has. Again, who is now, who has. Who's this dog? Who is this dog? Atuk dash father was it, wanted to help. Whose? He is the man who is able to do up the sledges. F, do you know whose sledge this is? Whose? C number, replace the verbs in the text with verbs of similar meaning. We call these synonyms. Synonyms means similar meaning. That is, the boy dash crack, he squiff. That is bracket में crack touche, broke. Then the reins dash, brackets dropped from his frozen fingers, fell. Atuk dash himself to the sledge, by tied, bound. Fashioned hoy, bound himself to the sledge. News dash came that seals had been seen. Came means appeared. At first a great block of ice was dashed to the harness, was tied. Fashion means tied. Okay, so I show you these pages once or two seconds. So today I complete chapter 13, Atuk and Pular. Then I request you to learn this at your home, and next day I will do chapter 14 and 16. Okay, you learn it wholeheartedly at home, and today I complete this chapter. Okay, thank you.